case briefs, and so much more. LSDat's got what you're looking for.
In a contentious clash between neighbors, the Guidrys, proprietors of a popular motocross track in East Feliciana Parish, unwittingly found themselves at the center of a legal quagmire. Amid the rising roars of motocross bikes tearing in and around their property, simmering unrest among disgruntled neighbors eventually ignited a full-blown legal dispute. The bone of contention. Their motocross track was not just a blight on the tranquility of the neighborhood, but violated the nuisance and noise ordinances enacted in the parish. In response to escalating complaints, the Parish Police Jury introduced a noise ordinance. Discontentment among the neighbors didn't subside, leading to the filing of a trial case by the intervenors in 2002. They were hell-bent on obtaining a permanent injunction to silence the motocross track that had disrupted their peaceful existence. Despite the Guidrys' pleas that they had taken sufficient measures to curb noise and dust from their operations, the court remained unswayed. The trial court found the motocross operation a direct violation of both the nuisance and noise ordinances, constituting it as a public nuisance in essence. Consequently, it held that the motocross activities significantly interfered with the neighbors' easy enjoyment of their properties, and hence was deemed ripe for an injunction. Dissatisfied, the Guidrys appealed the decision. Their appeal found no favor before the appellate court, which upheld the trial court's verdict. The appellate court ruled that the trial court's decision was no manifest error, agreeing that the motocross operation was indeed an unreasonable nuisance. The motocross track had infringed on the character of the neighborhood, degraded its peace, and heavily compromised the utility and enjoyment of the neighboring properties. Prolonged exposure to the track's noise, given the low community threshold for noise, also tipped the balance against the Guidrys. Hence, the appellate court affirmed the trial court's injunction barring the Guidrys from operating their motocross track. It maintained that the track caused real damage to the intervenors and posed potential irreparable harm if unabated. The Guidrys, caught in a legal dust storm of their making, were left with no choice but to cease operating their cherished motocross venture.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSDat's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.